Hi boys and girls, and welcome to the channel. Yeah, what we got for you today? Well, Matt here at the Real Toy Shop in sunny Grimsby, and we're going to walk you around, one hit, no editing, this BMW R1200 GS. Yep, the legendary adventure tourer, adventure bike, whatever you want to call it, and it's a stunner. So let's have a look at it. Let's see if you like it, and you should. And when we've had a walk around it, we'll run it up. Let you hear it, let you see the mileage, which is really good low mileage to be fair. And if you've got anything to say about it, comments and stuff like that, get them down below. And please get some likes and subscribes. Come on guys, help me out. We're struggling. We're just a little channel and a little shop in sunny Grimsby. Need all the help we can get, and that's how you can help us along. So let's start at the front of this bike. Got some really nice extras on this one. So it's in the lovely sort of metallic but flat blue. Does that make a sense? Let's have a look, and that might help you. We've got a fancy headlight on this one. We'll let the LED, we'll show you that in a minute when we get it up and running. We've got the, look at that, where am I sending that camera? The MRA sort of tilt screen. And by the way, it is no edit, so I will get things wrong. But give me some slack, and give us a bit of praise if I get it right, just to make me feel better. Yeah, so we've got that screen. We've got engine bars. They're by Puig, and we've got those top and bottom. So protects your investment, doesn't it? Because if you just have one of those little wobble days, tip over, and let's face it, it's an adventure touring bike, so you might decide to go up a little fire road or something and wobble and fall off. You've protected your investment. Coming around the front of the bike, this one's got the spoke wheels as well, which is nice. I prefer the spoke wheels, and they're laced in a really good way. I remember BMW being one of the first bikes I saw like this, where the spokes go to the outside. Why are they like that? Well, you can change a spoke from that hub. If you're in the middle of the desert and you've got some spare spokes, you can actually change those without taking the tyre off. So that's clever, isn't it? We've got a fender extender type thing on there. Looks like it's somebody else's make, but it's basically one of those. And they are brilliant for these bikes, because we all know that front cover can suffer a little bit. And if you look at that one, how clean is that? Love it that it's got the black engine and black transmission. That's good. And look at the headers on it, the exhaust manifolds. They are in fabulous order. Got the bash plate under there as well, again, protecting your investment. Moving up and round, condition of the thing is absolutely lovely. It's got keyless ride. That's why there's a key sat on the seat there, ready so I don't lose it when we come to start it. It's got the dynamic ESA on this one. All good, all lovely, all working. And there you've got a C-Tech charging point. So that is to keep your battery tendered. So if you plug it in there, you're not getting flat batteries all the time. Nice tank grips on the side there with a lovely GS logo on. And then as we move around here, around the back, luggage. And we've got 3 sets of Vario luggage. Let's get that back in the middle there. It keeps wandering off. So 3 sets, 3 boxes. Got the 3 boxes, and these Vario luggage, they are ingenious. If these are actually locked or not, let's see, they probably are. But oh no, this one isn't locked. So in here, this here, you pull that down, click it in there, and now you've got a box that's nearly twice as big. You can see there the line where we've cleaned it. So that's how much extra you get on your box. And that's all 3 boxes do that. So top case, which is nice to have, which has also come with a passenger backrest. Your pillion will be a happy person, and thank you for that, because it does make a difference. When you're accelerating, person on the back flying backwards and hitting the back on that, when it's got the pad on there, it makes it a lot nicer. Let's get a look at the shaft. We all know we need a nice shaft that's free from knobbles, and this one's free from knobbles, and it's the black shaft. Black shafts tend to suffer less with the knobbles, and there you go, that's good proof. Good tyres on there, they're Anna keys. Coming in there, look at the condition of the shock. Absolutely perfect. Oh, a bit of something in the way there. And that's in guard thanks to the Puig, like, what do you call that? I can't remember what you call that. Just gone. My brain's gone blank. Drop it in the comments down below if you remember what they're called. Flipping heck. Hugger. Yay, done it. Don't bother with a comment. There's your crash bars again, all clean and tidy. That one I'm just looking through there. No, that's like a little sticker on the bottom of there, so nothing on the bottom of that. All good. In the back of your rads there. Everything on this bike is super duper duper clean. Really is. So, black engine, gearbox and shaft, spoke wheels. Seat height is adjustable on a GS, in case you didn't know that. It is. And up here, as we come up the tank, we've got the GS tank protector there, which is standard thing. And then as we come over the top, you'll see we've got keyless ride. Got rider modes, heated grips up there. We've got ESA over this side. Oh, come on, Matt, camera, keep up. That's your ESA, and then a fog light switch for your fog lights. And then we've got a hardwired in sat-nav mounty thing. Not sure what company that is, but you have to pop that off the back and check that your sat-nav will go. Oh, it's Garmin. See that on the top. So it's a Garmin mount that you can put your Garmin sat-nav in there. So let's have a stand back from the bike and look at it from a bit more of a distance where you get a good feel for the bike. So coming over the top, that's your view from the cockpit. Heading straight for that Harley Davidson. Nice sat up. That's the one good thing with a GS or similar bike. You have got plenty of height. So why is that important? Well, your feet are sort of in the same place, but you sat more bolt upright, so you can see over the top of cars. It gives you a bit of advance warning of what's going on on the road ahead. Centre stand, of course. Again, that part of the bike is all clean and shiny, just like the rest. And then in them centre hubs, you have a look in there, because they can and do sometimes suffer. So there you go. Looking well, isn't it? No one's going to be upset to have that in the garage, I'll tell you. I'll be riding that down the road. If you've got a trip planned or anything like that, then you know you can't do much better. You can certainly do far worse, that is for certain. Right, what can we do next? Well, what can we do for you on the bike? Well, numerous things. So if you've got a part exchange, which is usually the first one, if you want to nip here, whoop, let's get you zoomed in. Oh, if it'll do it. Oh, no, it won't, will it? Come on, you stupid thing, focus. So, get yourself there. That's where the part exchange form is. So there's a form there, get it filled out. Then I've got all the information I need to know about your bike, car, bus, whatever you're part exchanging. That number under there, keep hold of that, because if you need some finance payments, monthly payments or whatever, give us a call. One of us in the office will have you a talk through that, see if we can get you sorted out. And if you're happy with what we do, we'll put you through with one of our lenders. Dead simple. So that's that bit out of the way. Then we come on to delivery. So here at the Real Toy Shop, we have always delivered our bikes for absolutely nothing. Yep, mainland UK that is. We will deliver up to Cairn Ryan for Ireland and stuff like that, so bear that in mind. But mainland UK costs you nothing. Doesn't mean you can't come and have a look at it. Come and have a cup of tea with us, enjoy your company, see if you want to ride home on the bike. Or you want it delivering. Not a problem. Come in the car on a rainy day, look at the bike, we'll deliver it another day. Simple. Have a look on the website, how we work, it's all on there. It's dead simple, nothing crazy, but all the time frames and everything are on there under the page mark delivery, if you're getting confused. Right. Noise time. Let's make a noise. But before we make a noise, what we're going to do? Well, you've got to ask your missus first. Your mother, your brother, your dad or your lover. Get them asked before we have a good long conversation about the bike and its service history. And I do know the bike has literally just been serviced. So a couple of months ago when it's done no miles. So it's ready to rock and roll. Right, noise time. So keyless, boom, key in hand, press button, mucky mitt. mileage things happen down there. 15,972 miles. Whoever's had this bike has obviously been riding exceptionally well. They've done 61 to the gallon. That's quite crazy. There's fuel in there, that's worth more than gold at the moment, so I promise I won't take any out though. Yeah, exactly. And if while we're looking at this, you're thinking, oh, well, I like GSs and one thing or another, I like all bikes, have a look. We've got dozens of other bikes and bike videos. If you want to hear things start up with different exhausts and stuff like that, go and have a look. Join the channel, subscribe. Shameless plug. Right, let's fire her up. Well, there you go. Matt, the ABS has got a fault, ABS has got a fault. No, it hasn't. 5 mile an hour or 5 evolutions of the wheel, that will pop out. Last check of ABS. So if you come to a bike that's got ABS and they're not doing that, someone's been at it. Power socket down there, look. So you can plug your gloves in and heated coats and stuff like that. But let's walk around the bike, have a listen to it, show you that crazy headlight. Look at that. That's got some beam, that has. Looks fantastic. Spotlights, there you go, some spots down there as well. Look at that, we've got smoke effect for you, that's the cleaning products coming off the front exhaust there, so. Right then, let's make a blip. Don't that sound well? I love the sound of a Boxer. Big Boxer twin. Really characterful to ride, and shafts as well. Very easy on the maintenance. Right, I think we've heard me yarn on enough, haven't you? Especially if you're having a bike delivered, you'll get to yarn to me some more. Good God, you poor thing. Whoa, turn the spots off, Matt, turn the spots off. Boom, off we go. Right, spots are off. So that's it. That's your BMW GS. Woo, come on camera, catch up. That's your BMW GS. Looking absolutely resplendent in the blue with the spoke wheels. So, we need it in my shed, Matt. Of course you do. Right, what's first then? Well, number one, fill a Part X form in if you need to on the website. You know where it is. Number two, if you want some monthly payments, give us a call in the office. We'll talk through that. Number three, just get it paid for. Let's get it in a van. Get it to you as quick as we can. Can't really say fairer, can I? Thanks for watching. I hope you liked it. If you didn't, well, hey ho, I'm sorry. But if you did and you want to see some more videos, YouTube thinks you might like this fella here. This playlist here where we might be doing something crazy on a bike, or this one here, that's the one I want you to hit because that's the one that gets us growing. And come on, let's see if we can do some good with this channel. See you on the next one. Don't forget, ask your missus first.